Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Today I'm planning to experiment with some rubber cement to see if it provides any opportunity to add some variety to my acrylic swipes. This is basically just glue, but the fun thing about it is that it peels off when it's dry. So my plan is to use the rubber cement to create a design on the canvas, to then do an acrylic swipe over that, and to then peel off the rubber cement to reveal the design. I'm starting off by painting the canvas. I'm applying brilliant red and orange to the canvas, just using upward and downward strokes. I'll list all my paint colors, ratios, and supplies in the description box so you can find all the details there. Now that the paint is dry, I'm creating a design on the canvas using the rubber cement. It comes with this application brush. Because this brush is quite thick, you wouldn't be able to create very, small or detailed designs with it, but it's perfect for my purposes. Okay, now that I have a design on this, I'm going to give it some time to dry. Perfect, we're ready for the swipe. For that, I'm laying down my various base colors, all of which are mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water plus 1 drop of silicone. The canvas that I'm using is an 8 by 10 inch canvas that's roughly 20 by 25 centimeters. I'm going to use ivory black to swipe. It's been mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. To swipe, I'm using a piece of the plastic that I cut out of the wrapper that the canvas came packaged in. Now that the swipe is dry, we're ready to see if I can scrape the paint off where we have the rubber cement and see what we're left with. Okay, so using this palette knife is making it much easier than just using my fingers or the toothpick. It's definitely still a very time-consuming process, but obviously much easier doing it this way. I I don't think the design is visible on camera, but from where I'm standing I can easily see where the rubber cement is and where I need to move the palette knife around. With the paint removed, it just seems like the painting needs something to help bring it to life a bit more, so I'm outlining the pattern using a permanent marker. Adding this thick marker is also helping to smooth out the edges that were looking a little bit rough before too. Now for a quick close-up. Overall, I'm happy that it worked out. I think the paint that was revealed from underneath the rubber cement still looks great. It's not damaged at all. However, as I said earlier, the rubber cement was definitely very time consuming to remove, so probably not something I'm going to do too often, but good to know that it can work if you do give it a try. If you'd like to see more fluid acrylic art tutorials, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.